Hey Avocado friends, my name is Will from Mak Tok and today I'm collaborating with Avocado to bring you guys a delicious and simple dessert called Soyaberry Shaved Ice. The ingredients are really simple and you can get them from Avocado. So you need some dairy-free ice cream, some almond flakes, some blueberries, strawberries, a bit of mint, golden syrup, and of course you need sweetened soya over here. Firstly, you want to freeze your soy milk. I am going to freeze this overnight. I've just removed one from the freezer. I popped this one in the freezer last night. This is my sweetened soy milk ice block. Get yourself a grater and a large mixing bowl. Make sure you get yourself a pair of gloves as well. Or, if you don't have a pair of gloves, just use some towel. Now, this is because this ice block tends to be quite cold. I tend to use the grater with the larger holes because once you shave it, it doesn't melt as quickly. As you can see, those are our shaved ice. Let's just keep going. There we have it, our fluffy shaved ice. Look at that, they're like snow. Okay, now to the strawberries. I'm just gonna quickly just slice this up. Grab yourself a bowl, a beautiful one. I've got a coconut bowl here. We're gonna add our shaved ice into our bowl. Next, let's add the berries. We're gonna add our sliced almonds. Let's add a scoop of our dairy-free ice cream. Add the golden syrup. And last but not least, I'm gonna garnish it with a bit of mint. And here we have it, our Soyaberry Shaved Ice. Now to my favorite part of any recipe videos, time to tuck in. It's sweet, fruity, a bit of nuttiness as well. I just love this dessert. Now if you like this recipe, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends? And if you got any questions or suggestions, just pop them down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!